Hi everyone, today we have an amazing project for you. We are going to design and making a stylish durable leather tote bag entirely at home without a single stitch. You don't need a sewing machine or an expensive press machine. If you are ready, let's get started. Like every great project, we start with brainstorming and research. We turn our idea into drawing. Drawing is important because it helps us to see the proportion and understand the real size of the bag. And also, sketching helps us to visualize exactly how the flat, 2D piece of the material will transfer into a beautiful 3D object. It is a crucial step that saves us from making expensive mistakes on our actual leather. After sketching out of the idea, we first do a mini test on the paper to get a feel for the dimensions. The angle of the bag's edges is very important here. We draw lines from 10-degree angle and fold them. But you can try bigger angles like 20 degrees. You can even try folding 10-degree inwards instead of outward to see different combinations. The goal is to find the best design. I decided 10-degree outward angles and I will continue this design with that. Once we finalize the shape of the paper, we create our life-size cardboard template. By folding along those 10-degree angles, we can really start shaping the tote bag. Once that's done, it is time to trim away to the excess material. Now we need to figure out where the bag handles will go and cut out some slit-shaped holes. I use specific tools for this step, but you can easily get it done with just a hole punch and a craft knife. Since we want to keep the design clean with completely hidden rivets, we are only going to punch holes on the inner layer. 3 rivets per corner will be plenty. We cut that third slit exclusively on the inner layer. Now, it is time to design the handle itself. The narrower section will be visible on the outside. Finally, let's fit the handle's throat and attach them to the back. Since our bag is symmetrical, making a template for just 1/4 of it makes the job incredibly easy. We transfer this template on the thick cardboard so we can reuse it later. For this project, I am using 1.mm thick black toned leather with a medium or hard temper so the bag holds its shape beautifully. We trace our template onto the leather and cut it out. We make the necessary slit cuts and punch holes for the handles and corner. After burnishing and smoothing the edges, we are ready to assembly. How we do hold the bag together. The method needs to be both strong and aesthetic. For this design, I am combining the slot method, passing the leather throughout the slits with rivets. Here's the very important detail. I am using the screw in the rivets instead of the classic rivet, because not everyone has a hand-pressed machine at home. You can attach screw and the rivets in the second using just a simple screwdriver. Also, the leather tote bag is ready to use. If you want to see more practical design like this, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. See you in the next project.